Hello everyone, this is Matal Singha for PU Mirror reporting live from GGDSD College. I'm here at TEDx 2K16 and with me I have Kanan Tandi, a very enigmatic personality today. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Could you please tell us about what your topic for today is and what are you expecting from the audience from Chandigarh?
The idea I would like to share today is the use of body language in fortune telling. We go to a lot of places to identify what future holds for us. So that's the idea behind it, how the fortune tellers actually catch your body language, catch your other advantage or any other thing that you are giving away, and they can find out about it and then they can talk about the same thing. I will be doing one small activity with the crowd here and then let's see how it goes. So it will be a surprise.
So you're definitely looking forward to it. I want to know, a lot of people don't follow their dreams and a lot of people don't do what they actually want to do. You left a job and since you left a job that paid you well, so it is something big. So what drove you to leave your job and start an NGO?
Well, I think, usually I'm not like that a lot, but I think at that time when I did decide to quit my job, I got very, philosophical, intense. And I just thought that, mood swings. That's true. Mood swings. And I thought, if someone has to do something about it, why not me? And even though I'm, very unexperienced, have, bipolar problems and other problems that I would not want to talk about, majorly lack the experience to run an organization, yet quit my job and do that. So I think that was just an intense moment that I took the calling for it. That's it.
I have with me the man behind eSampark, Mr. Vivek Athre. We all know that you are the man behind the eSampark. Could you please tell us more about it? How did it start and anything else?
Yeah, when I was Director IT Chandigarh, we started eSampark to facilitate the population. When they used to pay bills, they had to go to government offices. The window used to close at 1 o'clock. So eSampark was started through outsourcing the work. And from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. it is open on Monday to Saturday. So there is less pressure on the window and more people can go and it is automated. So over the years, we added more services apart from bill payment. So about 24 to 28 services are available now. So they become mini facilitation centers for government and non-government. So through e-governance, the life of people improved. That's why it's a success. It was also a national award-winning project.
For me, TEDx is about everything about spreading new ideas. Like the slogan that's written in a TEDx is ideas worth spreading. And I really feel that yes, this is the right logo or this is the right slogan that they use, because ideas worth sharing is the real true message of the TEDx concept.
This was a big event for me since I learned that if you cannot build a future for the youth should be built up for the future.
This is Matal Singha for PU Mirror signing off from TEDx 2K16 GGDSD College with cameraman Aditya Sharma and campus editor Kshitij Bhargava. Thank you.